What's going on, guys? Tyler here with another Elementor video. Hey, happy Black Friday. If you're looking at saving money and getting deals, this video is the place because we have none other than your very favorite Elementor and Elementor Pro going on sale. So if you guys are interested in a Black Friday deal, a limited time discount, I highly recommend that you upgrade to Elementor Pro now because this, as far as I know, this is the best deal they've offered yet. And the link will be the first link down below in the description. So when you're ready to upgrade, click on that first link, see what kind of price you can get for this plugin. Like I said, it is an incredible plugin. It helps you customize your website so much more than Elementor free, and I highly recommend it to anyone that is looking to build their own website and wants the ease and functionality of Elementor, but also wants some advanced like customization and really wants to make their website look professional. Then jump on Elementor Pro, and like I said, it's on sale right now, so click on that link in the description. But I just want to take you over to Elementor's website here. As we jump over there, you can see this is their Black Friday sale going on right now. There is a time limit on it, and that time limit is going down as we speak, so be sure and check that out from the link in the description. Now let's head over to pricing, and I'll show you kind of the deal that they've got going on. Now they have three different plans here. They have the one site plan, which is called their personal plan. They have the 3-site plan, which is called their plus plan, and they have the 1,000 sites, which is called their expert plan. And I know you're probably wondering, like, oh, I only have like, you know, one personal website. Why would I need more than that? And if that's fine. If you only have one website and you're only planning on using Elementor Pro for that one website, then maybe just stick to the personal plan. But if you're planning on maybe having another website in the future or anything like that, or you've got one in the works, the plus plan might be right for you. That's kind of like, if I have a few personal websites, that's the plan I'm going to choose. And like I said, it is on a good discount right there today. And now there is an opportunity if you're looking, if you like building out websites with Elementor, which a lot of you are great at doing it. A lot of you are able to put together a website really quickly, but just by dragging and dropping, and you want that extra functionality of an Elementor Pro, and you think, you know, I'm making very professional looking websites with this Elementor Pro plugin, then you might want to consider the expert plan. You can go around and find people that need their website built out that may not know how to do it, and maybe they're thinking, you know, like, oh, this person must be a web designer or a web programmer or know how to code or something like that. But really all you're doing is you signed up for the Elementor Pro expert plan. You're installing Elementor Pro on their website and dragging and dropping elements onto their page and setting up templates and everything like that, putting it all together, and you've built a website for someone that needed a website. That could be a business in itself. So if you guys are interested in that kind of side hustle, that startup, this is a super low capital side hustle because it's only $149 a year. It really is an incredible discount right now. It's $50 off, which is 25% off right now. So I highly recommend, if you're considering upgrading to Elementor Pro, check out the link, the first link in the description, that special link down there. Check it out and see what kind of price you can get for your website. I really think it will increase just the overall functionality and design and look of your site in general. And guys, I am so thankful. We just had Thanksgiving here in the US. I'm so thankful for you guys that are able to support me and subscribe to my channel and come back for video after video after video. You guys really make me proud of what I do and allow me to continue to make videos just like this one. So thank you guys so much for all your support, and I'm looking forward to a huge and successful 2021 coming up very shortly. And let's continue on through the holiday season making some awesome websites, and I'll catch you guys in the next videos. Take care.